second column is a. Like in Hindi you can see, or even in English like a. Okay, a. So whenever you see these the letter a with accent or without accent, you have to pronounce it like a. So a without any accent, then with an accent which is called accent grave. So okay, just a moment. No, it's not working. Okay. So this accent is called accent grave. Okay. So there are some other letters like E. We use this letter, this accent also. This is also accent grave, because later on we learn that N become on. So accent and T remains silent. T remains silent. So accent grave, but don't worry, we'll just learn later on. And grave. And the second accent, which is also very important, is no, this one. A. So this accent is called accent aigu. So again here accent aigu. Okay. So a e become a and gu. So aigu, and in French there is a word which is called liaison. Okay, liaison. Liaison means we can say a kind of link between two words when the first word ends with a consonant and the second word starts with a vowel. We link them. So like here we can say accent aigu. Like here I said it is pronounced accent grave because t was silent, but when the second letter starts with vowel, then we pronounce it te, accent aigu. Okay, so this is called liaison. Okay, and then the third accent, which is very important also in French, is accent circonflexe. So as for pronunciation, don't worry, I will teach you later how to pronounce all these sounds. But this is called accent grave, accent aigu, et accent circonflexe. These are main three accents which are used in French. So remember them also. So we come back. Okay, so accent grave, accent circonflexe, and with an arch also. So a without any accent, but with and with accents, and then a arch. So all of them are pronounced a, like you can see at the top. So the examples, some of the examples I have taken here. Car, car, ca, together they become car, and r, so car. Ga, ga, r, gar, a, which is itself a word which means two words, two to. Okay, ta, sh. So this is a word which is written differently in these two words, like where you can see is without any accent, and in the second letter, second word, it is with accent, accent circumflex. Both are pronounced similar. So tash. Just to know what this means, when it is with an accent, it means a work, and when it is without any accent, that means it is a dot. Okay, so these two, so all these sounds are pronounced a.